So the first one, we have the head of dog, we have the head of baboon, we have the head of monkey in here, head of the snake, like the vipers, black mamba here.
How did they even find them and bring them here?
I've always been curious about this place. I've watched videos online. I've seen clips of masquerade flying in the air. I've heard people say spirits live here and that voodoo is more than just a religion. So I went all the way to find out the truth. Togo is one of the smallest countries in West Africa, sitting right between Ghana and Benin. The country might be small, but the land holds one of the deepest spiritual roots in all of Africa and one of the birthplaces of voodoo.
Voodoo prevent us from a bad situation. Voodoo prevents us from diseases. Voodoo prevents us from poverty. Voodoo prevents us from negative, even natural disaster, epidemic. So we access to the voodoo. Voodoo is our protector. Voodoo is what? Voodoos are the spirit, a natural spirit that are controlling the area, which was discovered by the fact. And then they are together with the spirit of our ancestors. That's why we do not worship the voodoo without also pray or worship our ancestors.
And right here in the capital city, Lomé, there's a market unlike any other. A place where all the tools and items used in voodoo rituals are sold openly. From skulls to bones, skins, dried animals, roots and powders.
And then we call it the Fetish Market, or sometimes voodoo markets. All of Africa is just here. But every people walking here, we also come from Benin. We are not to Togo people before we step in. Togo is here controlling our work.
Akodessewa Fetish Market, considered the biggest in the world. And in this documentary, I'm going to take you deep into it to understand not just what happens here, but why it happens.
So guys, there are lots of crazy stuff out here. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Look at, there are snakes here, there are dog heads, hyenas, baby lions, crocodiles, and these things are not so cool, but cool.
The people who come here believe in the power of nature and the spiritual world. They believe these items carry energy to heal sickness, protect a home, attract wealth, or remove bad luck.
They have a different power to travel. It's not like the traveling protection. It's a small like this. When you have this one in your pocket or in your bag to travel, you can never get nothing problem all in the travel. Yes. There's another power again. For something like to use to get good sleeping, another talisman for good luck. They are prepared. And sometimes the good luck, they can prepare you something like the powerful and use to get the good luck and good business. They have another power. And you want to marry, you find the girl don't like you. You want to catch the girl. Oh, what is the guy there? I want to catch the boy. So you know the name of the person.
This market has been around for a long time. It started with just a few traditional healers selling herbs and charms, but over time it grew bigger and more people turned to voodoo for help.
People come here every day, I told you, on different problem, and then we help the people for different things.
Solve their problem.
Yes.
Wow.
If you go to consult the fire, and at the end of the fire, they say to get solution to your problem, you need to make some ritual. So the ritual say you need to buy a whole goat. But if you don't have money to buy the whole goat, the priest will tell you to come to the voodoo market to buy just the head of the dead goat. So this one represented the goat like a live goat, so to do the ceremony for you.
Most of the things found here are not just random objects.
That's the Yoruba language.
Yeah.
Yoruba. This voodoo come for your country. So we practice the same like your country. It seems like somebody died and the spirit of the person come back.
Yes.
That's your language, Abalubini, Nigeria language.
So, but we don't call them voodoo, right? We use
No,
something
you
like
can never call
juju.
voodoo.
We call it juju.
Yes, we call it juju.
You call it juju. But their country is a voodoo.
They believe that voodoo isn't limited by location or distance. It exists everywhere in the world. Whether you're in Africa, Europe, or America, the power of voodoo can still work.
Voodoo, there's every place, every country.
Yes, but
So we have something to call this esprit come and walk in the place where we need.
only those who can call them can summon them with someone there.
Yes, something like this.
Some animals are very powerful. They have a power energy. Some trees are very powerful. We use the leaves. We use the part of the back of the leaf to make medicine, to heal our diseases. Simple tree or leaf together, and we used to purify yourself. That the door will open for you. You get job. If you're not getting children, or you get married, or you're not getting children, voodoo will help you. The use of a natural thing, you can have solutions to your problem. That's the meaning of voodoo. So voodoo never kill people.
But with all this comes controversy. Some people question the killing of animals for ritual, and it raises ethical concerns, especially from animal rights groups. But here's what they have to say.
You see a lot of animal on the fetish market. All of the animal die natural, and the local people bring it, come to sell it. Then we buy, and then we dry it. Before we live in here, people have the problem, they must come. We can never suffer too much before we take animal to help the person. This is a ostrich food. The food of ostrich.
Oh my God.
You can only to see she's not a smell.
Feet of an ostrich.
If somebody have the food problem, come in here. That's what we find. Plus the food for horse, cow, elephants, and then we now make the powder. We take this one, put it in the water. So washing the food of the person, maybe 4 or 5 days is okay.
Like, how many years have this belief existed? Like, how many years have they been doing all this?
And this one we put in here maybe something like 18 years now. Wow. So when somebody have the problem come in, when is it possible to find this one? That's when we take it before we do that.
In my opinion, what I've seen here isn't evil or scary like people describe online or in movies. Even if it's more than I can understand, I believe it's spiritual, it's powerful, and for many people, it's very real. You don't have to believe in it. I don't even know if I fully do, but I respect it because this is their way of life and it's been passed down for generations. And honestly, that's what makes Africa so unique.
They will charge you, bros.
So they say if you have a sex problem or you're infertile, you have
erectile
dysfunction, anything that deals with your sexual life, you just need to come and summon this man here and it's going to help you.
If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.